Now let's learn about the absolute value of the integers. Absolute value of the integers means the real numerical value of the integers. Integers are having positive sign or having negative sign also. All right, like in a number line, if we see, it is always better to understand a number line. Right, this is 0, and integers, this is the number line of the integers. All right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. All right, similarly here, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on, so much smaller numbers, all the numbers. All right, so absolute value, like it's -4. Right, so absolute value of the 5 is an integer. Absolute value of 5 we represent by this two line, vertical line we give. All right, so absolute value of 5 means the real numerical value of 5. What is the real numerical? The magnitude of the 5, that's 5. We don't care about the sign and the symbols. All right, whatever the signs we have, whether it is negative or positive. If I'm writing here the negative absolute value of -5, so that's again the numerical value of the 5, that's +5. Always and always the absolute value of integers will give you positive integers. Always it will give you positive value. All right, except one condition that I'm going to tell you later. Like anything, like if I'm going to have the absolute value of -6, then always I'll get it's 6. Absolute value of suppose 7, so absolute value of 7 is 7. Absolute value of -13, that is again 13. Absolute value of -210. All right, so absolute value of -210 is equal with 210. We don't care about the symbols, whether it is negative or positive. If it was positive 210, then also I'll get 210. Okay, now one case is there. What about 0? 0 is also integer. So in that case, if you're going to find out the absolute value, in this case only, just in the case of 0, you will get the absolute value as a 0. Otherwise, in every case, you'll get positive value. In every, all the integers have the positive value except 0. All right, 0 we don't we don't say whether it's negative or positive. Later you'll learn how we treat it, right? But right now I just want to say it's neither negative nor positive. All right, except 0, all the integers have the positive value. All right, the absolute value of all integers is positive, keep in mind. All right, so based on this, you'll get many types of the problems. Sometimes you'll get like 2 plus -3 plus plus not like -5, like this kind of expression you need to solve. So to solve this expression, what you'll do, it is 2, and absolute value of absolute value of this -3 is 3, and absolute value of 5 is 5, and now 2 plus 3, that is 5, and 5 minus 5, that's 0. Answer. Similarly, you may get very different types of the questions you may be asked, like something like this, like -5, absolute value of -5, like all right, absolute value of -5 plus absolute value of -3 plus absolute value of just 2. Then that time it will be absolute value of -5, that's 5, and absolute value of -3, that's 3, and there is no absolute value, just simple 2, it's 2. So 5 plus 3, that's 8, and 8 plus 2, that is 10. Like this kind of a lot of problem you might have to solve. All right, so just keep in mind that absolute value of all integers is always and always positive, whether that's negative or positive. We don't care about the sign. All right, except 0.